Proper cure hardens film to resist chips and fuel spills. Load test verifies transmission shifts Rust pits and laminations become crack starters in pressed panels.
Packaging tears invite grit that ruins bearing races.
Staged coils feed continuous cuts that keep width consistent for stampings. Consistent blank size prevents die overload and uneven draw. Correct layout preserves grain direction and reduces waste on frame parts.
Controlled cut and slag removal keep bracket faces true for rivets.
Quick transfer minimizes surface cooling that causes folds in the forging.
Pilot registration prevents cumulative hole drift across the chassis.
Shell geometry sets hood gap and headlamp alignment.
A controlled quench hardens surfaces needed for long gear life.
Hardness verification ensures wear resistance without cracking.
True concentric turning prevents vibration in the driveline. Calm and exact.
Through setters prevent runout through turning and grinding. Smooth journals protect bearings and oil film at sustained RPM. Clean surfaces keep coolant jackets free of debris. Bore straightness controls compression and oil consumption.
The planer mill ensures a perfectly flat deck, critical for the head gasket seal under intense heat cycles.
Accurate lift timing delivers power and fuel economy for range.
Bearing crush and roundness keep oil film stable under load.
Proper ring compression prevents broken rings and low compression. Timing marks ensure valves open correctly to avoid power loss.
She's down. Check the seating. Solid. Solid. No gap in the gasket.
Secure pickup prevents aeration that destroys bearings. Once the generator and water pump are secured, ensure perfect alignment. This simple step prevents thrown belts and overheating. Primer resists corrosion and identifies leaks by contrast. Correct bearing seat prevents preload loss and gear howl. Secure ring gear prevents bolt share under torque spikes. Correct backlash and contact pattern prevent overheating and failure. True drum surface prevents pulsation and improves stopping distance. Jig pinning ensures wheelbase accuracy and straight tracking.
Properly upset rivets lock joints against fatigue cracking.
Technical fact: thrust clearance prevents gear seizure when hot. Correct free play prevents clutch slip and overheating. Rigid mounting ensures predictable steering response. Hinge hole accuracy sets door alignment and latch reliability. Proper hinge alignment prevents binding and cracked hinges in service.
Secure sides keep cargo contained on rough terrain.
Hoop spacing supports canvas to shed rain and protect supplies.
Sealed seams block moisture that starts hidden rust.
Degreasing prevents fisheyes and adhesion failure in primer.
Uniform coverage protects metal and provides a low-glare field finish.
Proper cure hardens film to resist chips and fuel spills. Secure seats keep drivers stable and prevent fatigue on long runs. Load test verifies transmission shifts and brake balance under torque.